Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aisyah Hana binti Dok Saibah. My ID number is MDB 2307036.
Hi, my name is Nur Husnina Afikah binti Othmin. My ID number is MDB 2307077.
Hi, my name is Nulisa Kasrina binti Salihuddin and my ID number is MDB 2307099.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nabil Saputra bin Nur Hisam with ID number MDB 2307030.
We have been assigned to conduct research about internet speed for our assignment in course Business Statistics QMT 2043. In order to complete this task, we are required to conduct an online survey among students of College Professional Mara Air Molek.
Our objective of survey is we want to gather data on the speed of internet connection at College Professional Mara Air Molek among diploma in business studies related to students to understand the quality of internet speed provided by different telcos. From the survey, we have chosen one qualitative data and one quantitative data. For qualitative data, we have chosen type of telco. So now, let's look through the frequency table, bar graph and pie chart of the data we have gathered.
Next, this is a qualitative data frequency table. In this accumulated qualitative data about what type of telco is the most of student use. So here is the highest number of students voted in this table, which is Celcom, which have 15 respondents voted for it. Meanwhile, the lowest number of students voted in this table is Unified, which only one respondent.
After that, we need to calculate group distribution table, which we calculate class width, class limit, lower and upper, class mark and also the class boundary for lower and upper.
This is histogram of how much do students spend for their monthly internet. So, there are 3 of students spend from 0 to 20 ringgit for every month. Meanwhile, there is 22 students that spend from 40 ringgit to 60 ringgit and 20 ringgit to 40 ringgit for every month. Lastly, there are 6 of students spend from 60 ringgit to 80 ringgit every month for their internet.
For frequency polygon, use the midpoints of the class intervals to plot points with the frequencies, and then join up with the points with straight lines. So, here is the result of frequency polygon.
After we calculate data for upper class boundaries and accumulative frequency for monthly spend, here is the results for our jive graph.
Next, we calculate the mean, mode and median for quantitative variable, which is monthly spend. As for the answer, we will get 41.70 ringgit for mean. For mode, on the other hand, majority of students spend 40 ringgit for internet per month. Not to forget the median, which is we will get 41.36 ringgit.
We also calculate data for first quartile and third quartile. For quantitative variables, which is monthly spend, for first quartile, we have calculated the value. Before that, what is first quartile? The first quartile is the median of the lower half of a data set. So, for monthly spend, we have calculated the first quartile from the data and we got RM 29 ringgit and 32 cents. Next, third quartile. Third quartile is the set of data between the median and the upper quartile. For monthly spend, the value of third quartile that we got is 53 ringgit and 41 cents.
This is the shape of distribution skewness, which is positively skewed. Why? Because the value of mean is higher than the mode and median. The highest peak of the graph indicates the location of mode, which is 40 ringgit. It shows that the most of the students often spend 40 ringgit for their internet data. Next, the middle of the graph is location of median, which is 41 ringgit 36 cents. At the tail of graph is mean, which is 41 ringgit 70 cents. It indicates that the average student spend 41 ringgit 70 cents monthly on their internet data. To sum up, the greater the value of peak and scale, the more the distribution is skewed to the left.
Not just that, we also calculate the standard deviation, which the final answer is 15.26.
This is how I calculate Pearson measure of skewness. The final answer is 0.07, which means PSK is higher than 0. This data is positively skewed.
This is our coefficient of variation. So we compare with other group in our class. We can conclude that their group have a coefficient of variation that has a greater variability than us, but our coefficient of variation is more stable and consistent, which is 36.59%.
In conclusion, we can conclude from the report that students in KPMI Molek face the issues regarding the internet speed, which give them difficulties in communicating, researching, and learning through online method. Choosing the right internet plan is one of the challenges, as we know the internet speed is depending on the specific area. By carefully considering specific needs and conditions of the area, we ensure the accessibility of individuals' internet speed. Overall, this survey for our written report help us a lot in identifying, interpreting, summarizing, and learning more about the internet speed among KPMI Molek students.
Here are some recommendations to students and also party that is responsible with the Wi-Fi in college area. First of all, contact internet provider. We suggest for students to contact their internet provider via emails or call to inquire about available upgrade options. We know that the data plan package also give an impact because the more you pay, the more benefits you get. Next, upgrade modem or router. The responsible party should upgrade the equipment in order to improve and support higher Wi-Fi speed. An outdated modem or router can affect a congestion on internet speed. Last but not least, move the modem or router to better location. We suggest students to contact the party that in charge for Wi-Fi connection in the college area. It is because the location of modem or router give an impact towards Wi-Fi coverage. Sometimes, Wi-Fi doesn't have the coverage on certain area.